Okay, so this time now we focus on software evolutions. Software evolution is specifically for software engineering is a perilous concept no, in computer science and software engineering that describe the continuous transformation and adaptation of software system over time. Unlike physical artifacts no, that typically remain static no, after creation, software is inherently dynamic, no? Requiring constant modification to meet changing technological business and the user requirements. So, the fundamental premise of software evolution is that software is not a one-time product, but a living entity that must continuously adapt to each environment. Just as biological organisms no, evolve to survive in changing ecosystem, software system must transform to remain relevant, no? Efficient, and functional in an increasingly complex and rapidly changing technological landscape. No? Historical perspective on software evolution can be traced back no, to the early days of computing when software development was primarily viewed as a linear sequential processes. No? Initially, software was developed using rigid methodologies like the waterfall model, no? Which assumed that requirements could be fully defined upfront, no? And that subsequent changes would be minimal. However, real-world experiences no, quickly demonstrate the limitations on this approach, leading to more flexible and iterative development paradigms. Lehman's law of software evolution proposed by computer scientist no, Meir Lehman in 1970s no, provide a foundational framework for understanding how software systems change over time. These laws no, describe inherent characteristics of software systems such as the tendency to increase in complexity, no, the need for continuous maintenance, and the inevitable degradation of system structure if not actively managed and refactored. And one of the most significant drives of software evolution is technological advancements. No? As new programming languages, frameworks, and infrastructure emerge, existing software must be adapted to leverage this innovation or risk becoming obsolete. Cloud computing, microservices, architectures, containerization technologies like Docker no, and serverless computing are prime example of technological shifts that compel no, software system to evolve continuously. So business requirements represent another critical factor no, in software evolutions because an organization constantly adjusts their strategies, their processes, and their operational model, which necessitates corresponding changes in their software system. We are all familiar with enterprise resource planning system. No, this is a customer relationship management platforms and other business critical applications. And it must be flexible enough no, to accommodate organizational transformation regulatory changes and market dynamics. So technical depth is significant changes in software evolutions. As software systems grow and accumulate modifications over time, they can become increasingly complex no, and difficult to maintain because we as developers often make expedient design choices or implement quick fixes that no, while solving immediate problems no, can create long-term architectural challenges. Excuse. Managing technical debt no, requires systematic refactoring, no, continuous architectural review, and commitment to maintaining good quality. So, the emergence of agile methodologies and DevOps practices has revolutionized software evolution by emphasizing incremental development, no, continuous integration, and of course, rapid deployment. So these approaches actually no, enable software teams no, to make smaller, more frequent changes, reducing the risk associated with large-scale system transformation. So, continuous delivery pipelines, no, automated testing in infrastructure as code techniques have become essential tools in managing software evolution effectively. Legacy system modernization represent a critical aspect of software evolutions because many organizations rely on decades-old software systems that were developed using outdated technologies and architectural patterns. Modernizing these systems involves carefully planned strategies such as re-engineering, wrapping, or gradual replacement, balancing the need for innovation with the risk of disrupting critical business operations. No? User experience and changing consumer expectation, drive significant software evolutions because as software, become increasingly sophisticated and demand more intuitive and more personalized and responsive digital experiences, of course, our software system must continuously adapt. Mobile responsiveness, AI-driven personalization, seamless cross-platform integration, and enhanced accessibility are example of evolving user experience requirement. Security consideration plays a pivotal role in software evolutions. Now, with the increasing frequency and sophistication of cyber threats, software testing must continuously evolve their security mechanisms. No? And this involves regularly vulnerability assessment, no? Implementing robust authentications and encryption protocols, no? And developing adaptive security frameworks that can respond to emerging threat landscape. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming software evolutions by introducing adaptive and self-learning capabilities. Right now, modern software systems can now incorporate algorithms, that learn from user interaction, system performance data, and even external inputs, enabling more dynamic and intelligent evolutions. Predictive maintenance, automated optimization, and intelligent decision support system exemplify this emerging paradigm. Global interconnectedness, and the rise of distributed system have further complicated software evolutions. Software must have be designed, to operate seamlessly across diverse geographically location, cultural context, and even technological infrastructure. Internationalization, localization, and support for multiple languages, and regulatory environments have become essential considerations in software design and software evolution. So the economics of software evolutions are complex and multifaceted, right? Because while continuous modification and maintenance require significant investment, the cost of not evolving can be even more substantial. Organizations must develop strategic approaches, to software investment. Again, balancing short-term operational needs with long-term technological sustainability. So, open source communities, and collaborative development models have profoundly influenced software evolutions through enabling global collaboration, rapid knowledge sharing, and collective problem solving. These models accelerate innovation and provide mechanism, for continuous improvement. Platforms like GitHub, have democratized software development and created unprecedented opportunities for collaborative evolutions. Sustainability and environmental considerations are emerging as important factors in software evolutions. Green technology, right? As global awareness of technological carbon footprints increases, software systems are being evaluated not just on functional performance, but also on their energy efficiency and environmental impact. Green computing principles are increasingly influencing software design and evolution strategy. Ethical considerations are becoming more prominent in software evolution. As software become more powerful and pervasive, we as developers and the organizations or company must consider broader societal implication. And this includes addressing potential biases in AI algorithms, no, ensuring user privacy, because in our country, specifically in the Philippines, we have Data Privacy Act of 2012, no, promoting digital inclusivity, no, and developing software that uh, software that respects, no, fundamental human rights and values. So, looking forward, no, software evolution will likely be characterized by increased complexity, greater adaptability, and more sophisticated self-management capabilities. No? So emerging technologies like quantum computing, advanced neural networks, and decentralized systems will represent both unprecedented challenges and extraordinary opportunities for software transformation. It means to say that software evolution is a dynamic, multi-dimensional process that extends far beyond more technical maintenance. No? It represents a holistic approach to software development that recognizes the fluid, adaptive nature of digital systems. No? So successfully navigating software evolutions requires a combination of technical expertise, strategic vision, no, organizational agility, and of course, a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Okay?